Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are good? Okay. Today we are going to learn alphabet A. See, children. Can you see alphabet A and their objects? So, let us learn.
This is an A. A makes two different sounds. Sometimes it says ah, 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 like apple. Sometimes it says a, like ape. A says ah, ah, ah. Say ah, ah, ah. A is for animal. Say animal. A is for alligator. Say alligator. Sometimes A says a. Say a. A is for acorn. Say acorn.
Capital A, small a.
A for ant, apple, anchor, aeroplane.
Capital A looks like this. Small a looks like this.